students, today we'll be discussing some simple and important definitions. One is something called as translation, one is something called as transcription, and something called as translocation. Okay, please concentrate exactly what happens in our body. With the help of RNA, you are aware of RNA. RNA is of three components: mRNA, messenger RNA, tRNA, transmitter RNA, and rRNA, which is called as ribosomal RNA. Okay? So, with the help, taking the help of RNA, a gene is a code which is transferred from one generation to the next generation. That is called as a code or a set of proteins. So, with the help of RNA, a gene called as DNA participates in the functioning of the cell. Cellच्या function मध्ये तो participate करून he controls the entire structure and function of the body. Point number 1. Point number 2. The message for synthesis of proteins is stored in the DNA. की आपल्या बॉडीला किती प्रोटीन्स रिक्वायर्ड आहेत. Our hair should grow regularly, our nails grow regularly, our eyes help in proper sight and all that. That's only and only because of this set of proteins. So I'll repeat the points and we'll come to a very important definition, that is transcription. Look here. With the help of RNA, a gene called DNA participates in the functioning of the cell and hence controls the structure and function of the body. Synthesis of proteins. The message on synthesis of proteins is stored in the DNA. Okay? And DNA prepares the proteins. The synthesis of proteins by DNA is done through RNA. This is called central dogma. So what is central dogma? It is the process of protein synthesis by DNA through RNA. Repeat, the process of synthesis of proteins by DNA through taking the help of RNA. That is called central dogma. Central dogma नंतर next point. Students need ऐका, messenger RNA is mRNA, which is called as messenger RNA, is prepared as per the sequence of nucleotides present on DNA. Now what is a nucleotide? Nucleotide म्हणजे एक शुगर आणि एक पायरीन असतं. शुगर म्हणजे डोंट कन्फ्यूज इट विथ युअर शुगर विच यू ईट. इट्स अ मॉलिक्यूल, अ कार्बन मॉलिक्यूल आहे तो, कॉम्प्लिकेटेड कार्बन मॉलिक्यूल, शुगर मॉलिक्यूल, आणि त्याला एक पायरीन किंवा पायरिडिन. पायरीन म्हणजे एक रिंग, साइड्सची रिंग, लाईक अ पेंटॅगॉन. So pyrene attached to a sugar is called as a nucleotide. So mRNA is messenger RNA is prepared as per the sequence of nucleotides present on DNA, for which only one strand of DNA is used. DNA हा डबल हेलिकल स्ट्रक्चर असतो. अशी एक स्ट्रँड असते आणि त्याच्या बरोबर उलटी एक स्ट्रँड असते, त्यात फक्त एक स्ट्रँड सिलेक्ट करायची. फॉर विच ओनली वन स्ट्रँड ऑफ DNA इज used. The sequence of nucleotides on mRNA are similar to those of are complementary म्हणायचं. कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी म्हणजे एक नसलं तर दुसरं चालतं. Like that. Like complementary म्हणजे not same. Like father and mother हे कॉम्प्लिमेंट आहेत. Like if father is unable to earn, mother earns. If mother is unable to do the housework, father does it. ते कॉम्प्लिमेंट म्हणतात. So the mRNA is prepared as per the sequence of nucleotides on the DNA. जशी न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स DNA वर असते तशी, फॉर विच ओनली वन स्ट्रँड ऑफ DNA इज यूज. दोन स्ट्रँड पैकी एक स्ट्रँड ऑफ DNA इज यूज. अँड स्टुडंट्स, ओनली इन प्लेस ऑफ थायमिन uracil is present. This process of preparation of RNA or manufacturing or synthesis of RNA, mRNA, is called as transcription. I'll repeat. mRNA is prepared as per the sequence of nucleotides present on DNA, for which only one strand of DNA is used. 1 point, एकच स्ट्रँड वापरला जातो. The sequence of nucleotides on mRNA is similar to DNA, except in place of thymine there is uracil. This process of synthesis of mRNA is called transcription. Over. Next, Once mRNA is present inside the cell, the mRNA from the nucleus comes into the cytoplasm. Once it comes into the cytoplasm, mRNA brings the message from DNA. The message is in the message is what? Message kasla message? For preparation of amino acids. The what you can say, the message on mRNA is the synthesis of amino acids, which is in the form of code. Code. That code is called as triplet codon. So what is triplet codon? It is a code of message brought from DNA by mRNA for the manufacture of amino acids. Such mRNA has thousands of such triplet codons. mRNA नी जेव्हा ते ट्रिपलेट कोडॉन्स आणले म्हणजे कोड फॉर ऑफ मेसेज फ्रॉम डीएनए त्यांनी आणल्यानंतर ॲज पर द मेसेज, ॲज पर द कोड ऑन mRNA काय केलं जातं? tRNA, ट्रान्समिटर RNA ब्रिंग्स द रिक्वायर्ड अमायनो ॲसिड्स. कारण कोड ऑफ अमायनो ॲसिड्स mRNA असतात. mRNA चे कोड वाचून tRNA gets the amino acids. But tRNA has an anticodon. म्हणजे एक आपण असं म्हणूया की आपले खालचे दात कसे हे कोडॉन धरूया, तर tRNA अँटीकोडॉन आणतं, वरचे दात आणतं. लाईक दॅट. फॉर दॅट tRNA brings the required amino acids as per the mRNA, for which tRNA has an anticodon. This process of bringing of anticodon as per the requirement on mRNA, as per the code on mRNA, is called as translation. Then students, the amino acids किंवा the codons, then they are bonded by peptide bonds. Now what is the meaning of peptide? Bond between two amino acids is called as a peptide bond. So the amino acids मध्ये त्यांचं स्टिचिंग केलं जातं, आपल्या दातांना जॉईन करणं मुलांना, कळतंय? लाईक दॅट. सो ॲज पर दातांना असं स्टिचेस मारूया एकमेकांवर, लाईक दॅट. सो ॲज पर द what you can say anticodon, then the amino acids are then bonded by means of peptide bond. जो बॉन्ड अमायनो ॲसिड्सला लिंक करतो, that is called as a peptide bond. This bonding is done, this stitching is done by rRNA, for which rRNA moves from one end of mRNA to the another end of mRNA through a distance of one triplet codon. एक ट्रिपलेट कोडॉन, तीन कोडॉन्स जॉईन केले, पुढचं आलं. तीन कोडॉन्स जॉईन केले, पुढचं आलं. तीन कोडॉन्स जॉईन केले, पुढचं गेलं. लाईक दॅट. वन एंड ऑफ mRNA पासून दुसऱ्या एंड ऑफ mRNA पर्यंत rRNA does the job of connection. ठीक है? This process is called translocation, and a chain of codons is prepared. These chains are interlinked together to form a very important structure, which is the structure of protein. Students, कळते? असा हा प्रोटीन तयार होतो. And that's it. Students, one more point I would like to tell you कि the one generation is able to produce an individual, or reproduce, you can call, produce an individual of its type because of gene. You know, when the parents produce the offsprings, a small amount of gene from the parent is transferred to the offspring, and therefore certain characters of parents appear in the offspring. Gene transfer झाल्यामुळे थोडे characters of parents appear in the offsprings म्हणून थोडे characters दिसायला लागतात. कळते? कधी कधी काय होतं, there is change in the, sometimes there is change in the position of the nucleotides. न्यूक्लियोटाइड सिक्वेन्स मध्ये थोडीशी बदल दिसते, सडन चेंज होते, दॅट इज कॉल्ड म्युटेशन. ठीक आहे? द चेंजेस मे बी बाय मायनर अमाउंट अँड द चेंजेस समटाइम्स मे बी बाय ड्रास्टिक अमाउंट, अँड दिस म्युटेशन leads to a genetic disorder which is called sickle cell anemia. अनेमिया म्हणजे डेफिशियन्सी ऑफ हेमोग्लोबिन. सिकल सेल म्हणजे जे सेल्स असतात ना त्यांचा शेप असा सिकल सारखा असतो, माहिती आहे ना, भात कापणीला वापरतात ते, तशा शेपचे सेल्स असतात, अँड दो सेल्स लीड टू अनेमिया. इट्स अ जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर. Normal anemia is not a genetic disorder. It's only because of your malnutrition. But sickle cell anemia is a genetic disorder. I'll repeat three important definitions. The process of mRNA, the process of synthesis of mRNA as per the sequence of nucleotides on DNA, for which only one strand of DNA is used, and in place of thymine there is the presence of uracil, is called transcription. Next, the tRNA brings in the required amino acids as per the message on mRNA. For this, tRNA has an anticodon. This bringing of amino acids by tRNA as per the requirement of mRNA is called translation. Then the rRNA links the amino acids, links the triplet codons by means of peptide bonds, moving from one end of mRNA to the other end of mRNA. This is called translocation, and that is how amino acids come together to form large complex chain of network, which is called proteins. Correct? Proteins are responsible for the structure of the body, for the functioning of the body, and even the appearance of the body. कोणाकोणाचे डोळे घारे असतात, कोणाकोणाचे डोळे काळपट असतात, ब्राउनिश असतात, केस कोणाकोणाचे ब्राउन असतात, कोणाकोणाचे we can put it like this, fingers have a different order, some have short fingers, okay, like that, some have a short height and all. It's only because of this appearance which is decided by our proteins. Is it okay? That's it, students. For today I will stop. Tomorrow we'll continue with evolution part, which is very easy. We'll stop for today.